Welcome to UX Shorts, mini videos, mega knowledge. In this session, we're going to discuss about what is rapid prototyping and why it is important in the field of UX. So what is prototype? A prototype is an experimental model of an idea. It's a way to give our ideas a presence. So after the visual design is done, to make managers, engineers, developers and business analysts understand the connections between those screens, prototyping is important. It is like building a story and present it to the customer. A design workflow that consists of ideation, prototyping and testing. It helps designers quickly discover and validate their best ideas. Prototyping is needed to show how something works, to understand functionality that may not be easily seen through a mock-up and user testing. There are 4 types of prototyping. Conceptual prototypes. In this, the details and layout of the interface don't matter. The only thing you are working on are interactions and processes. Lo-fi prototypes. Paper and pencil sketches or simple black and white screens documenting the concept. Medium-fi prototypes. These are graphical elements and important interaction features. Best used for testing areas of concern and for validating design. Hi-fi prototypes. This prototype makes it possible to test the organization of the information, visual design, as well as functional processes. Rapid prototyping is one of the most exciting activities for designers and design teams. It's an opportunity to unleash creativity, get down and dirty with the raw drawing tools, experiment with seemingly crazy ideas, and develop ideas together without boundaries. So this was all about prototyping. We hope you liked the video. Do watch UX Shorts, mini videos, mega knowledge.